Hey everybody, it's Brian. We're back again with another 3D print. Today my son wanted me to print out this mini trombone for Bambu Lab A1 Mini, remixed by SurreyGU7 on Maker World. So I've already taken the model and imported it into Bambu Studio. I've sliced it. It's going to take us 4 hours and 46 minutes, and we're going to print it out of Bambu Lab's basic PLA yellow. Let's hit print and send it. And there we go. We'll check it out in the morning. See you then. All right, it's the next morning. Let's open it up and take a look. Very cool. Let me give it a flex. Ah! All the parts came off. All right, let's put this together. So we got the end part, goes into the slidey part, goes into the mouthpiece part, goes into the horn part, there we go. Not very good. It's another print in the books.